Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome everybody to Crypto Space. In today's video we are going to cover Kaspa, so if that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. But let's first quickly have a look at crypto bubbles. As you can see on a daily, we are recovering from a Bitcoin's a quick dump, as we can see over here, and on a weekly, well, we pretty much see a bit of a side price action on a weekly. However, on a monthly and especially on a yearly, it is confirmed we are in a bull market. But okay, we are going to talk about Kaspa. But before that, let's quickly, greed and fear index is currently at 68, so it's definitely much healthier than a few days before. Okay, then so let's have a look at Kaspa. We are currently trading at 10 cents of a dollar with a market cap sitting at $2,387,000,000 and 24-hour trading volume sits at $36 million. So as you can see, guys, we are pretty much going sideways for now for Kaspa. But that doesn't mean that, oh my goodness, I'm sorry. My voice pretty much still haven't recovered yet, but I still try to manage to make videos for you guys. Okay, so let's have a look over here on a bit of a piece of news, first of all for Kaspa, and then we are going to go over to chart. Okay, then so as a linear point now, looking for the logarithmic chart, as 40 cents of a dollar is a next target for Kaspa according to the Fibonacci tool. Oversold levels in the indicator suggest that historically Kaspa tends to rise from these points. It might not happen immediately, but it is inevitable. Of course, well, that is my personal opinion that it is going to go much higher. And now let's have a look quickly at Bitcoin, so we can pretty much understand it a little bit further. Yesterday we did dump due to obvious news on the market, and we are pretty much coming back. So in my opinion, that was just flush out of liquidations, because there were around 400 million liquidations worth of longs, and as you can see over here, lots of people sold out due to scarcity, and now price is going up on Bitcoin. So obviously same with Kaspa. On a weekly, let's first actually start with a weekly time frame. Over here, as you can see, guys, we are pretty much trending constantly. We are doing higher highs on Kaspa, and that is a very bullish thing ever since Kaspa pretty much came out. I will tell you something about Kaspa. I already told you before in my previous videos, I have discovered Kaspa over here. But funny thing is that I slept on Kaspa. So I do really feel angry at myself, you know, guys, because I would be already sitting at, you know, huge profits, but I have jumped into Kaspa on that little dip over here. However, let's go back to the weekly time frame and let's have a look. So as you can see over here, we've got a huge pump, and then we've got a bit of consolidation, a bit of run over here on a weekly, consolidation. Same thing goes over here, consolidation, a bit of pump, consolidation, and exactly the same thing went now, and we are experiencing consolidation. So if we are not going to get supported on the weekly time frame for Kaspa over here, we will most likely going to be supported by this trend line that leads us back to whenever Kaspa came out to on the market. So I see only bullish price action for Kaspa over here. But now let's have a look on a smaller time frame and let's understand what is going on over here. So as you can see, we are pretty much trending. We are pretty much trading sideways in this, let's call it a box over here, and we got pushed down for obvious reasons due to the news, right? However, we are bouncing back from that support line, and on a daily we are going to retest this resistance over here, and sooner or later it's just a matter of time when we are going to smash through that level of resistance, and then we are going to retest the major one on a 14 cents level. So if we are going to look over here on a 4-hourly time frame, and that is going to help us to identify on what is going on. Okay, let me just move it. Okay, so as you can see over here, guys, we are pretty much forming a triangle. To me, it looks like it's a bullish triangle given the market momentum for Kaspa at the moment. There's lots of bullish news coming out for Kaspa, etc. And I do see Kaspa doing big gains in the future. 2024-2025. And now let's have a look over here. Kaspa Africa. No market changes should bring fear to any Kaspa holders. I truly tell you this. Kaspa is the next gem. Hold tight your security keys. Note, not your keys, not your assets. So as we can see over here, Kaspa is pretty much receiving a huge level of adoption in Africa, which is a bullish thing. However, that is just a beginning if it comes to Kaspa. In general, all over the world, I do believe that it's going to be adopted all over the world, and African countries, obviously, because they do suffer for with their devaluating currency, and that's the reason why they are adopting that first. However, what we can see over here are only bullish signs for Kaspa. All right then, that's about it, guys. Thank you very much for watching that quick update. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and like the content. I'm going to keep you updated in terms of Kaspa and other cryptocurrencies. All right then, peace and love, crypto.